In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability on Square appointments, providing a full 2025 guide designed to walk you through each step with ease. Whether you're updating regular availability or making quick adjustments, having the flexibility to manage your schedule effectively can enhance both business operations and client satisfaction. So let's dive right in and get your scheduling needs sorted out. First, you'll want to begin your journey by navigating to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. Just type in the URL, or you might already have it bookmarked. Once there, you'll notice an option prominently displayed on the page. Hit that sign in button. If you've saved your login credentials, signing in should be a breeze. If not, go ahead and enter your details, ensuring you're accessing the correct account linked to your business. Now that you're logged in, your next destination is the Square dashboard. The dashboard serves as a central hub where all your scheduling and business operations come together. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find an array of options laid out for you. Today, we'll focus on the staff section, so go ahead and click on that. Inside the staff area, you need to look for the scheduling option. Clicking on scheduling will bring forth all the tools you need to customize how and when appointments can be made. From here, you'll be able to tailor your availability, updating your working hours, days off, or any special schedules you might have. Next, you'll find yourself in the availability section. Here is where you make the magic happen. Check your current schedule, adjust for holidays, sick days, or simply shift things around based on changes in your work-life balance. It's important to be specific here and potentially consider future commitments to avoid overbooking or unexpected schedule conflicts. For those of you exploring new features, or if you're unfamiliar with any premium tools that may assist you further, there's an option to click on Start Free Trial. Engaging with these trial options allows you to test out extra functionality that could enhance your appointment management capabilities without immediate commitment. It's always helpful to familiarize yourself with these features to make the most informed decision for your business. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough of how to change your availability on Square appointments. Remember, being adept at managing your schedule not only boosts productivity, but also improves client interactions by ensuring you're always prepared and professional. If you have questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to explore the resources available on Square's website or consult their support team. Thanks for watching, and here's to smooth and efficient scheduling ahead.